Hello, welcome student to Technology. Myself Ajit Kumar. Today we'll see the electronics paper pattern and the chapter-wise weightage for every chapter that electronics part 1 have and electronics paper 2 have actually, right? In electronics paper 1 you have 6 chapters, then in electronics paper 2 you have 7 chapters, right? So all the marks distribution per chapter wise also we will see, and the paper pattern, how it works, how it appears in your board exams, that also we will see. So we'll start over here students. For electronics you have, right, electronics subject you have paper 1 and paper 2, right? Total you have 200 marks, right? You know it's a bifocal subject, right? Bifocal subject, you as you choose for what, scoring marks, because it carries 200 major marks, and apart from that, how it is, 100 for theory and 100 for practicals actually. So over here 100 marks, it helps you to earn very good score, right? In practical, as you know that if you perform well and if your attendance is good, then definitely you will score 80% plus or 90% plus or out of, right? So in theory as well you can score, but then also practical are easy to score good marks, right? So पेपर 1 में कैसा है स्टूडेंट, कैसा होता है इसका, थियरी 50 मार्क्स का आ जाएगा आपको और प्रैक्टिकल 50 मार्क्स का आ जाएगा आपको, राइट? और ये प्रैक्टिकल का बाइफर्केशन कैसे रहेगा, 30 मार्क्स का एक आपको प्रैक्टिकल रहेगा, फिर 10 मार्क्स को आपको ये रहेगा, क्या बोलते हैं उसे, viva assessment plus your this stuff, oral and all, right? Viva, then this for 5 marks, 5 or 6 marks for journals, right? So 30, 40, 45 and 5 marks you can say for your project work, right? Sorry, 10 marks this for project work actually, right? This 10 mark for project work, right? And then this 10 marks, again this 10 marks, 5 and 5 you would say viva and journals, like this, right? So this is the bifurcation for practical. So you have to, if you want to score at least this, right? So what you have to do is you have to submit your projects and journals in timely manner when your concerned subject teacher or professor asks for it, right? So 30 marks, 10, 5 plus 5. So it total up to 50 marks. Again here same, paper 2, the same pattern, theory 50 marks, practicals, right, 50 marks. So again the bifurcation same way, 30 marks practical, 10 marks assignment, right, project you can say, and the remaining 10 marks, that is 5 for journal and 5 marks for viva, right? 1 or 2 marks you can say plus or minus over here or there, but it is same, right? So this completes your a normal marking scheme for your chapters, right? Then we'll see chapter wise marks distribution, then we'll see the paper pattern as well, right? How the questions they ask actually, right? So the first in paper 1 we'll see the first chapter is your instruments, right? Instruments, chapter name is instruments, and over there you will be eligible for 7 marks, right, with option, without option, okay? Without option I write like this, and with option I like this, okay? So without option 7 marks, and with option 15 marks, some on an average 15 marks. Then the second one is, the second chapter is DC power supplies, right? DC power supplies. So this chapter actually you have 10 marks, right? Then 18 marks like this, 10 marks, without option, and with option is 18 marks. Then the third chapter, right, transducers, right, transducers. So this chapter you have like this 6 and 10. Then you have the fourth chapter, modern communications, right? No, sorry, operational amplifier. Fourth chapter is operational amplifier, right? Operational amplifier. And this chapter you are eligible to score 12 marks with option, without option, and with option 22 marks, right? Then this with without option, with option can be plus minus 1 or 2 marks, right, here and there. So like this. Then the fifth chapter is modern communication system, right? Modern communication system, and this is a big chapter actually, theoretical wise, but it carries the same 10 marks, then 18 marks, right? With option 18 or 20, you can say, right? Modern communication systems, electronics communication systems. Okay. Then study of ICs, right? This chapter is a small chapter, right? So over here you can carry this as 5 and this 8. When you total up to this, it totals up to 50 marks, and when you total near to 90 or 91 on an average, right? So this is the chapter wise distribution for your electronics paper 1, right? It is electronics paper 1. Okay, all 6 chapters, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Instruments 7 marks, DC power supplies 10 marks, transducers 6 marks, operational amplifier 12 marks, modern electronics communication systems 10 marks, then study of ICs 5 marks, right? So this is for your paper 1. Now we'll see paper 2. Now we'll see the paper 2, right? Electronics paper 2. At last we will see paper pattern as well, right? So don't wait over here. Now the first chapter is for paper 2 is number system, right? Number systems. Then the second chapter is logic gates. These both chapters are actually small chapters, right? So this carry 7 marks and this carry, I guess, 8 marks. Yeah, 8 marks, right? Without option, and this is with option, right? So this will be somewhere near to 12 and this will be somewhere near to 15. Okay. So now the third chapter is specification on digital ICs, right? Specifications on digital ICs, right? So this chapter carries 6 marks and without option, with option 12 marks, right? Then combinational logic circuits. Combinational logic circuits. This chapter contains how much? 10 marks and 12 marks again, right? Not 12 marks, near to 18-20, right? Then the fifth chapter is flip-flops, register and counters. Flip-flops, registers and counters, right? So this chapter, it carries 10 and again 18, like this, the same pattern. Okay. Then analog to digital digital to analog converter, right? Analog to digital, digital to analog converter. This chapter is a small chapter, so 5 marks and 9 marks. Okay, 5 marks and 9 marks. Then the last chapter is computer fundamentals, right? Computer fundamentals, right? Computer fundamentals. This is 4 marks and 6 marks you can take. Okay, 6 or 7. Okay, how much it is? So again it total ups to 50 and it total ups to 90, 91. Okay, so this for all 7 chapters. The first chapter is number system, 7 marks. Logic gates, 8 marks. Then specification on digital ICs, 6 marks. Then combination logic circuit, 10 marks. Flip flops, register and counters, 10 marks. AND DAA means analog to digital, digital to analog converter, 5 marks. Then computer fundamentals, 4 marks, right? This sum up to 50 marks. Okay, so this is your electronics paper 2, all chapter wise distribution, right? Then if we consider your you can note it down, okay, or if possible I will provide a link of my website that mentions all this thing in the description of below video, right? So note it down. Okay, now further I will tell you the question paper pattern, actually how much marks, what questions it comes actually, right? So we'll see. Now we'll see the paper pattern, right? Exam paper pattern, right? That means of 50 marks. Okay, 50 marks का, because theory is 50 marks, practical तो बता दिया मैंने आप लोगों को, ठीक है? So पहला वाला क्वेश्चन जो रहेगा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में A रहेगा, right? A it will be 1 2 3 4 MCQs रहेंगे इसमें, right? Carry each 1 mark, it total ups to 4 marks, right? Then question number 1 B रहेगा, any 2 करके रहेगा, 3 marks each, total 6 marks, right? 1 2 3 रहेंगे, उसमें से कोई भी 2 करने हैं आपको, ठीक है? आंसर द फॉलोइंग रहेगा, ये आंसर द फॉलोइंग रहेगा. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए, राइट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए फिर से वही एनी 1 रहेगा इधर, ठीक है? एनी 1 रहेगा, 1 2 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, कोई भी एक लिखना है, फिर से वही आंसर द फॉलोइंग है. ओके, आंसर द फॉलोइंग है, और ये 2 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, 2 में से एक लिखना है, तो एक कैरी 4 मार्क्स, ठीक है? तो एक ही करना है और वो 4 मार्क का रहेगा पूरा, ठीक है? देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2B, राइट? ये कितना रहेगा? एनी 2 रहेगा, 1 2 3, उसमें से वही फिर से आंसर द फॉलोइंग रहेगा, राइट? वो 6 मार्क्स का रहेगा, 3 मार्क्स ईच, राइट? 3 मार्क्स ईच, 2 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना रहेगा. सेम पैटर्न ही है, ये हो जाता है आपका 10 मार्क, ये हो जाता है आपका 10 मार्क, फिर से वैसे ही है 10 मार्क, फिर से एक और पैटर्न 10 मार्क, फिर से एक और सेम पैटर्न 10 मार्क. ऐसे कॉमन एकदम पैटर्न, एकदम इजी पैटर्न है. 10 10 10 10 10 हो गए आपके पूरे 50 मार्क. फिर से वही सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आएगा. अभी 3A में कैसा रहेगा? एनी 2 करना रहेगा अभी यहाँ पे, ठीक है? ओके, अभी एनी 2 करना रहेगा, 1 2 3 दिया रहेगा, तो आंसर द फॉलोइंग फिर से वही आंसर द फॉलोइंग, फिर से 3 मार्क्स ईच, टोटल 6 मार्क्स. अभी इसका जो दूसरा वाला जो क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, ये क्या हो जाएगा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3B रहेगा, राइट? बी का कैसा रहेगा? 1 और 2 ही क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, उसमें से कोई भी एनी 1 लिखना है, सेम. मतलब वैसे ये ऑल्टरनेट है, राइट? मैं इसको ज्यादा अभी डीप में नहीं बताऊंगा मैं आपको ये, ठीक है? तो ये 4 मार्क्स हो गया, ठीक है? तो वैसे ये सिर्फ इधर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो रहेगा वो सिर्फ एमसीक्यू रहेगा, 4 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, बाकी जो रहेगा 20 है वही ऑल्टरनेट पैटर्न फॉलो हो जाएगा, मतलब 6 मार्क के बाद 4 मार्क, 4 मार्क के बाद 6 मार्क, 6 मार्क के बाद 4 मार्क, और 6 मार्क वाला 3 मार्क वाले 3 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, उसमें से 2 करना है 6 मार्क के लिए, और 4 मार्क का 2 क्वेश्चन रहेगा, एक क्वेश्चन आपको अटेम्प्ट करना है 4 मार्क के लिए। तो हर एक क्वेश्चन 10 मार्क्स का होता है। एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर साइंस में थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, लास्ट का जो क्वेश्चन है वो 5 मार्क के लिए दिया उन्होंने, पर यहाँ पे सेम 6-4 के हिसाब से फॉलो किया उन्होंने। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो आई गेस आई एक्सप्लेन ऑल द थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बाइफोकल सब्जेक्ट। योर 100 मार्क्स का जो थियरी है और प्रैक्टिकल में मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया। एचएससी महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड एग्जाम जो होता है, राइट, बोर्ड एग्जाम का पूरा पेपर पैटर्न बताया, देन सब्जेक्ट वाइज चैप्टर वाइज मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बताया मैंने आपको, राइट, देन पेपर का पूरा मतलब कैसा, कितने मार्क का थियरी रहेगा, कितने मार्क का प्रैक्टिकल रहेगा, ये बता दिया मैंने आपको। ठीक है, सो आई गेस यू got clear with all this stuff questions that you have regarding electronic subject, that how we will manage all this such things. So if you have any doubt, definitely you can comment under this video, and if you need any important questions, actually I have already listed all the important questions related to all chapters in my channel. You can go over there, search it out and refer those questions, and you can refer and you can score good marks. Else if you will request or ask for again for any proper explanation on proper concepts or questions, right, important questions, then definitely I will make video for that also. So till then, subscribe the channel and like this video if you like it, and definitely share with your friends, students. So अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, all the best for your exams, and कुछ अगर लगे आपको कुछ important concept के ऊपर, तो definitely I will help you. So till then, thank you, subscribe the channel, like the video, and take care. Thank you.